But anyway, moving right along because time is very limited and we have a very, very special guest
Yeah.
inside the
He just
building.
cut you little mix up shots so in my youth.
You love mix up too much, man. You're a big man, Jesus Christ.
Anyway, continue.
And also, we have a very special guest inside studio, so we have to move swiftly because
Swiftly
time is
along.
of the essence.
Yep.
So, no further ado, Bosslady Karen
She's
coming here
here.
to talk about her party that's going to be held this coming Saturday.
Yep.
And if you don't have your tickets from now, ain't a problem,
Ain't no problem. Good
Ain't no
evening.
problem.
Welcome to the Upnlive Show. How you doing today?
Thank you for having me.
Of course. Well, like your present, you just come bright up the studio, so that's make me feel like me are foreign. No much years me live in England and me feel like a Jamaican me there.
Progress is in progress.
Of course. Why Progress? What's the name though? What was the name for?
For me, I'm always like, I'll come across people as a very positive person. Like when I have a conversation with my friend and stuff like that, they're like, I like to talk to you because you're very positive and stuff like that. And
Yeah.
with everything that's going on right now, who need negativity? So
Of course.
straight positivity. So progress straight.
Okay, you're live for the world now, and many people who have never seen you before probably seen you now. What would you like people to know from today about Karen, Bosslady? What would you like them to take away from this interview?
That I'm Karen Bosslady.
And like this coming Saturday, what can people expect at Progress this
All right,
Saturday?
this coming Saturday is Progress Part 2,
Yeah.
and it's going to be a venue in South Croydon. Venue is 110% confirmed.
Yep.
Yeah. Early bird tickets are still out there, £15. So who hasn't got their ticket yet, need to come and get their ticket now because you don't want to miss Progress. Progress is going to be like a movie.
All right.
And you guys already know, like any promoter come and they Upnlive show, the party absolutely gonna be
It's
sold
certified.
out. See, it's certified.
Of course.
So if you guys are watching the journey, the last person come here to plug his party was Junior. Big up yourself, a bus driver link up, and bus driver link up, he wasn't normal. So we don't know say we not care full promoter on the show.
Which
so
is right.
Yeah.
If you don't get a ticket for Progress yet, do the right thing.
Yeah,
course.
junior bus driver, big up yourself straight.
I know what we know about the bus Progress this coming Saturday.
Uh-huh.
I want to talk about you now. Tell us about yourself.
What you want to know about me?
Tell me what you want. Tell me what I know.
No, you ask the question and
Okay,
then I'll
let me
answer you.
rephrase the question. All right.
Yeah.
Were you born in the UK?
No, I wasn't.
Okay, you've been in the UK how long?
Long time.
Long time.
Few years.
Okay.
Couple of years.
Okay.
20 years.
20. See, we're getting somewhere. We're reaching somewhere slowly but surely.
Yep.
Yes, and you've been a promoter how long?
Not that long. I
Is-
just started to try a little thing, as I said, because it's all about being progressive, and that's where my thing at. Where
Okay.
it's going, I'm not sure, but the sky's the limit.
I know we both like have something in common. We like dancehall music. Can you just say a few words on your view of the state of dancehall in UK? We only can talk about what's happening here in UK, not Jamaica. How do you find the parties? Are you liking the vibe, or is there things needed to be done to make a change, or how is it in your view?
There's so much need to be done to make a change because, number one, me personally, I don't like this secret location thing, and
Yeah.
we have to be saying secret location. That kind of stop, progress really.
Yeah.
Because not everybody are up for that. People like to know where they're going.
Okay, what
So-
caused these issues though? What? No, I'm not gonna tell you
You're
to list
putting me on
all.
the spotlight.
No, because you're a promoter, so this is what we have
So,
to try to
I'm
find
not
and
Would
get
you
to
like
the
to
trying
problem.
to-
hear your little 2 cents on that?
Yeah,
I'm
you
that
don't have to
aspect
have,
of the music.
of
I
course.
was trying a little thing. Well, you guys, come on, you're Jamaicans. You love dancehall. You go to parties. You see what's happening out there.
Yeah, but we know what's happening. But it's good to listen. If we don't talk about these things, there's no way you're gonna change. You're not gonna have any form of solution to the problem if everyone sweep it under the table.
All right, basically, we're all grown adults. Nobody's children.
Yeah,
You understand? Nobody want to like spend money, fix up yourself, and come out to a party, and then people are fighting,
Yeah.
shoving, pushing, and all of that. You understand? You go spend your money. You want to dress up. You want to go out. You want to have a good time.
of course.
You understand? And that's what it should be about. And unfortunately, it's not like that all the time, and it's a shame.
And it's a shame. But definitely. But by you saying that breeds that breath of thought that you bring out. It goes to it goes there and people start listening and people start talk about it. Then we can have change. But if everybody knows what they know and keep it to themselves, then there's not going to be any change, and we need changes.
Yeah, because I'm saying, like, when I was in Jamaica, going to party and stuff like that, when people drink, they just drunk and they stagger home.
Yeah.
I don't see nobody fighting.
Okay.
But here in the UK, it's like as soon as a man or a woman have a drink and
They
somebody brush them, they want to fight. Like, what for?
Ice in them head.
Ice.
Ice in them head.
That's an explanation.
That them say. And that Jamaican people say ice in them head.
Ice in
Them
them.
style of bun up still. Them style of bun up. People just want to go out and have a good time. And I can say no, like anybody who's going to come to my party,
Yeah.
if they ain't saying progress or they ain't come to get something positive, like, don't show up, because no smoking.
Yeah.
If somebody step on your toe, just say sorry or cool them or whatever it is. You understand? I'm not into no fighting thing. So
Of course. I like that.
So anybody coming to progress this Saturday, come with your best behavior.
straight up,
Because
come in your good clothes and your best behavior.
Any rudeness is not going to be tolerated. Like, we ask you to leave the party. You know what I mean? Because we're
Straight
not
up.
going to make one person ruin the party for everybody.
Straight up. And I can say, like, my security team, I'm so proud of them. Like,
Yeah.
they don't even speak English. So,
So good. All right.
so you see, when Saturday come, all I'm gonna do is no, seriously.
What's it? Nobody don't speak English, so
They don't
if you come
speak
with your
the
bag of
English.
foolishness in your English, them not gonna understand
They
it.
ain't gonna understand. So basically, they just gonna be using their eyes.
Alright.
I show them my ticket. I show them my wristband. What I'm working with.
Yeah.
When you come to the door, is either you have that or you don't have that. If you don't have it, you're not gonna come in, and that's it. No talking.
Let's move on. Of course, definitely. Just travel along, go and find one next party, go.
Yep.
Simple as that. All right. So people ask watching right now, if you wanna get involved with, you wanna get some tickets. How can we find tickets for you?
Well, you can get ticket from Tresemme Iconic Beauty Salon. That's in West Norwood, and you can get tickets in Thornton as well from Tanisha Hairdressing Shop, and also you can get ticket from moi. All the telephone numbers are out there. They're on my Instagram site, Bosslady Karen Progress.
So that's BOSSKA. We see
Yes.
me can't even spell. That's
Okay,
what that's
so
good.
BOSSKRANLADY Progress Part 2, 6th of July.
Okay.
So that's where you can find all the information, people. If you go to any one of the ticket location, if you can't get it there, you just drop her a DM on the social media website, and you could get a ticket for this Saturday for progress. And remember, good clothes, good behavior. and the
Good things, them, you know.
All
Come
right.
on, never good things, them people.
Straight up.
And thank you very much for coming through to the studio. We was gonna cuss you because you come a little bit on time, but we'll leave it at that. People, that was Bosslady Karen. Make sure you stick and stay. The Upnlive show. We're gonna be having some more guests gonna be live here with us this evening.